Hi everyone, I am Nitesh and welcome to this channel. Here I will discuss the important topics that is related to arithmetic and advanced maths. My sessions will be very useful for SSC CGL, UPSC CSAT and various other competitive exams where you will face the problems that is related to basics, arithmetic and advanced maths. Okay, so let's start the session. First, I will go with arithmetic. In arithmetic, we have numerous topics. We have percentage, fundamental and very important topic for other topics as well. Okay, percentage, profit and loss, mixture, and we have time, speed and distance, and various other miscellaneous topics. Okay, I will start with percentage. Fine. So, what does it mean? What is percentage? Percentage means per 100. So, we use like 50%, 80%, okay, 20%. So, how we write it like in a ratio? It's 50 out of 100. Percent means per 100. 80%, 80 out of 100. 20%, 20 out of 100. Like you say, you score 80% in your exam. That is 80 out of 100. Right? If we say 75%, so what does it mean? 75 out of 100. Okay, so now we will start from converting it to percentage to ratio. Okay, so how we can write 75% in a ratio? It is 3 out of 4, right? It will go 25, these are 75 or 25, 4 are 100. Okay, or okay, so now we have to go with a table, like okay, from fraction to percentage conversion. It's fraction to percentage, fraction to percentage. Okay, fraction to percentage. 1 is 100%. 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 3 is 33 out of 3%. So 1 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 5 is 1 by 6 is 16 is to 2 by 3%. 1 by 7 is 14 is to 2 by 7%. 1 by 8 is 12 is to 1 by 2%, or we can write it 12.5%. Okay, 1 by 9 is 11 is to 1 by 9%. Next we have 1 by 10. It is obviously 10%. So we have 1 by 11. That is 9 is to 1 by 11%. 1 by 12. That is 8 is to 1 by 3%. Okay. 1 by 30 is 7.7%. 1 by 14 is 7.14%. 1 by 15 is 6.66%. Okay, so here you can derive the percentages from the previous percentages we have discussed here. Like if I consider 1 by 14, okay, so as we know 1 by 7 is 14 is to 2 by 7%. and now we have to derive 1 by 14. So what we can do? We multiply it by 1 by 2. So what it will give? Definitely give us 7.14%. Okay, so simply you can derive the percentages from the previously learned percentages. Okay, so you don't have to memorize each and every percentage. So I will explain various problems here, so you will get the proper idea, and you will you will get to know that how you have to face the problems of percentages. Okay, next we have 1 by 16. 1 by 16, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4, that it will give 6.25%, right? 1 by 17 by 5.88%. 1 by 18, 5.55%. 1 by 19, or we can write 5.26%. Okay, 1 by 20 is 5%. Okay, so try to write it down and don't memorize it, but solve the questions and you will remember it by the time. Okay, next I will give you the question, like, okay, let's say let's take a number, that is, let's take 125. Okay, we have to find out various percentage that is related to this question, that is 125 is 100%, right? If we write 10%, that is 12.5. Okay, you can take any number and you can solve it on your own. So 1% is, and 1% is what? 1.25%. 1.25, sorry. If I will ask 8%, 8% of 125. So from the very basic, if you are just a beginner, what you will do? It will 8 by 100, right, and multiply it by 125. Okay, now 20, it will cancel it. Okay, that will give you 10. Okay, so we don't have to go by this method. Okay, what we can write? 8%. We can write 8% is 10% minus 2%. So as we already know that 10% of 125 is 12.5 minus 2%. 2%, 1% we know 1.25. What will be the 2%? That is 2.5. Simple. We'll get 10 answer. Same answer, but in less time. Okay. If I say 12%, so what does it mean? 12%. 12% means 10% plus 2%. You don't have to go by 12 by 100 multiplied by 125. No, you have to solve it by this method. Okay, so 10% is 12.5. 2% is 2.5. So it will give 15. Okay. Now we will take some tricky percent. Okay, we will take 27%. Okay, 27% means simple. It's 30% minus 3%. You can also go with 25% plus 2%, but I'll find it. You'll find, it's simple. It's a little bit simple as 25 plus 2. It's easy. 30% minus 3%, because we know 10% is 12.5. 30% is, so 30% is 37.5. Okay, what will be the 3%? 3% is 3.75. We will multiply it by 3. 1% is 1.25. Then what will be the 3%? 3% will be 3.75. Okay, so we will subtract it. We will get answer 37.5 minus 3.75, that will give 33.75, right? Okay, let's take 48%. 48%, how we can write 48%? 50% minus 2%. 50%, 50% of 125. So what will be the 50%? 50% is 62.5. Okay, and what is 2%? 2% we know, 2% is 2.5. So it will give 60. Simple. And let's solve 76%. So how we can write it? 76%. Again, you can write it 70% plus 6%, or you can write it 80% minus 4%. Okay, you can solve it on your own. 88%. How we can write it? 90% minus 2%. Try to solve it. Okay. Okay. So next we will move to the basic questions. First question we have, change 37 is to 1 by 2% in fraction. So how you will change 37 is to 1 by 2% in fraction. So as we know, okay, as we know, we can write 37 is to 1 by 2 is 37.5%. Okay, so if we remember from the percentage table, it's 1 by 8 is 12.5%, right? So 12.8% is 1 by 8. Now we need to identify the value of 37.5%. So here we can simply see, like, if we multiply it by 3, we will get 12.5 multiplied by 3, it will give us 37.5%. Very simple. Here we have multiplied by 3. Here we have also multiplied by 3. And we will get 3 by 8 as the answer. So what will be the answer? 3 by 8 will be the answer of this question. Okay. Next we have, this is a previous year question from CGL or CHSL. Okay. Find 1/5 of 3/8 of 1/3 of, we have to multiply it. Simple. 11760. So if we will cancel it, 5 8s are 40. So if we will cancel it, 1 by 40 into 11760. So what we will get? We will get here 4 to the 8. We will get 294 as, right? So here B will be your answer. Next we have 0.02% of 150% of 600. This is a question from SSC CGL means question. Okay, so we can write 0.02%. Percent means per 100 of, we will multiply it by 150%, 150 by 100 into 600. Okay, so if we will multiply it by 150 into 6, that is 900. 900 multiplied by 0.02 by 100, it will give 18 out of 100. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 0.18, right? 0.18 will be your answer. Now this question, if m% of m plus n% of m is 2% of m into n. Okay, try to solve it on your own. And okay, now I'm going to solve it. M%, that is m per 100 of m, plus n% of n, that is n by 100 into n, is 2% of m into n. We can write it mn. Okay, so m square by 100 plus n square by 100, that is 2m into n by 100. If we'll solve it, we will get m square plus n square is equal to 2mn. Now we will get, okay, m square plus n square minus 2mn. So it's from basic algebra identity, as we know that a minus b whole square of a minus b is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we're getting the same form here. Okay, so we can write it whole square of m minus n. We can write it whole square of m minus n equals 0. It will give m is equal to n. In the question, it is asked that what percentage of m is n. Here m is equal to n. Then m is 100% of n. So what will be your answer? C will be your answer. Right. So next question, you can solve it on your own and just try to answer in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. Stay tuned.